Hi guys, welcome again to this session of an important what-if analysis tool. Data tables. What-if analysis tool to analyze how changes in one or two input variables affect the output of a formula. Recall, what-if analysis tools learned so far: Scenario Manager and Goal Seek. What-if analysis is a process used in decision-making and problem-solving. It involves changing the values in a set of assumptions or inputs to observe how those changes affect the outcomes or results. It is often used in business, finance, economics, and various scientific fields to predict the impact of different scenarios and make informed decisions. What-if analysis tools. Data tables. It's a type of what-if analysis that allows one to see multiple results for different scenarios at once, making it an efficient way to perform sensitivity analysis. A data table does not allow changing more than two inputs of a formula. However, these two inputs can have as many possible values to be experimented as one wants. It creates the formula table as a separate set of cells, gives all alternative results for the formula used. Data tables. It allows you to create a table that displays how different inputs affect a formula's result. There are two types of data tables in Excel: one variable data tables and two variable data tables. One variable data table. How it works. Enter the possible values for the input in a column or row, and Excel will calculate the corresponding output values for each of the input values. Here is an example of one variable data table. A loan payment changes with interest rates of 5%, 6%, and 7%. Remember, used when you want to see how changing one input variable affects multiple results. Example: seeing the effect of changing an interest rate on different loan payments. Two-variable data table. Used when you want to see how changing two input variables affects a single formula, e.g., how changing both interest rate and loan term affects the monthly. Two-variable data table. Purpose. Used when you want to see how changing two input variables affects a single formula. Example, how changing both interest rate and loan term affects the monthly payment. How it works. You enter different input values in both a row and a column, and Excel will calculate the output for every combination of inputs. Advantages of data tables. Quick analysis. You can analyze a large number of scenarios at once, saving time. Easy to update. If you change the underlying formula or input cells, the data table will automatically update the results. Visualization. You can combine data tables with charts to visualize how different inputs impact your results. Now guys, let's explore using data table, a what-if analysis tool in Excel. Calculating the monthly payment for a bank loan with different interest rates using a one-variable data table in Excel. Scenario. Loan amount principal $100,000. Loan term 10 years, 120 months. Interest rate range 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%, and 7%. Prepare the worksheet as shown here. Enter the different percentages either in a row or a column fashion. PMT, one of the financial functions, calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. It takes three arguments. 1. Monthly interest rate. 2. Monthly payments, loan term in months. 3. Loan amount. The negative sign indicates an outgoing payment. Enter different percent rates as shown, and then enter equals and name of the cell containing the formula. Now select the data as can be seen here. 4. Open the Data Table dialog. Go to the Data tab, What If Analysis Data Table. Enter input cells. In the row input cell, select the cell that the row input values depend on. In the column input cell, select the cell that the column input values depend on. Press OK. Excel will calculate and display the results. Enter input cells. In the row input cell, select the cell that the row input values depend on. In the column input cell, select the cell that the column input values depend on. Press OK. Excel will calculate and display the results. Wow! Great. Excel calculated the monthly payment depending upon different interest rate. Try yourself the example worksheet and using PMT function of Excel. Observe the monthly payments for different rate of interest. Now let's vary both the interest rate and time period. Let's understand using the two-variable data table in Excel. Enter different loan terms as follows. Now enter the different interest rates as can be seen. Here, write equals and the cell address of the cell containing formula. Now select the complete data as seen here. Go to the Data tab, What If Analysis Data Table. Enter input cells. In the row input cell, select the cell that the row input values depend on. In the column input cell, select the cell that the column input values depend on. Press OK. Excel will calculate and display the results. Here are the result of different monthly installments for different interest rate and loan terms. Each cell shows monthly payment for a given interest rate and loan terms. Hereby only varying interest rate. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like, share, and subscribe to my channel and videos for you guys. Once again, thanks for watching the video. Also visit my blog for details.